Our towns and cities are facing some big challenges. The cost of living is skyrocketing, climate change is threatening our future, and many people are struggling to find affordable places to live. Across the world, land is increasingly being treated as a financial asset or investment rather than just a place to make a home. Investors see land as a way to make money. They often buy it up, bit by bit, to build luxury developments, or leave it untouched, waiting for it to go up in value. This drives up prices, making it harder for those on lower incomes to be able to stay in the communities where they live. They just can't afford to live there, or they might be evicted by a landlord who sells to the developer. They could end up far away from the places and people they have known all their lives, or even become homeless. But what if there was a better way? What if people realised that they could be stronger by getting together? A community land trust, or CLT, is a type of non-profit membership organisation that helps pool the ownership of individual plots of land together into one big trust. So instead of each person owning their individual plot of land with their home on it, they just own the building, and the land is collectively owned by the members of the CLT. Suddenly, it's a big piece of land, worth a lot as a whole, and the CLT is a powerful entity, so you can raise money against it to start improving infrastructure, such as drainage, roads, the supply of basic services, the environment and biosphere, and you can afford to employ lawyers to challenge encroachment or illegal treatment. Because the CLT gives its members, and not profit-driven investors, the power to decide how their land is used, managed and developed, you can secure your future in an affordable, safe and secure home, and build a thriving community that serves your needs. This is not an unachievable dream. There are hundreds of successful and strong CLTs all over the world, and thousands of people whose lives have been improved because of them. To find out more about community land trusts and successful, World Habitat Award-winning examples from all over the world, visit our website. You can also visit the International Centre for Community Land Trusts website for more information on CLTs.